Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is the place where we share simple ideas to make everyday life greener and more enjoyable. Now let me ask you something. Have you ever thought that gardening is only for people with big backyards? If you live in an apartment, a small studio, or a compact home, you might feel like growing plants just isn't possible. But that's actually a myth. In today's video, we're going to break that myth by talking about container gardening for small spaces. This method is perfect for apartment living and busy lifestyles, and it proves that you don't need a lot of space to grow vegetables, herbs, or beautiful plants. I'll walk you through practical tips that anyone can follow, even beginners. So grab a cup of coffee, relax, and let's turn small spaces into green spaces together. Container gardening is a method of growing plants in pots or containers instead of directly in the ground. This approach is ideal for apartment dwellers, small homes, or studio units, balconies, patios, and rooftops, people with limited outdoor space. Some key benefits include space-saving and flexible, easy to move and rearrange, cleaner and more organized, better control over soil and watering. Choosing the right plants is essential for successful container gardening. Here are some apartment-friendly plant options: vegetables, chili peppers, cherry tomatoes, lettuce, spinach, kale, herbs, green onions, celery, basil, mint, parsley, ornamental plants, snake plant, pothos, mini monstera, cactus, and succulents. These plants grow well in containers and don't require large spaces. Your container plays a huge role in plant health. Important tips: always use containers with drainage holes. Match the container size to the plant. Lightweight plastic pots are great for balconies. Clay or terracotta pots provide better airflow for roots. Budget-friendly alternatives: buckets, reuse plastic bottles, tin cans, storage boxes. As long as water can drain properly, the container will work. Good soil is the foundation of a healthy container garden. A simple soil mix: garden, soil, compost, or organic fertilizer, cocoa peat, or rice husk. A common ratio is 1:1:1. For watering, water in the morning or late afternoon. Avoid overwatering. Check soil moisture instead of sticking to a strict schedule. Container plants dry out faster than garden plants, so regular checks are important. Most plants need sunlight to grow properly. Ideal conditions: 4 to 6 hours of sunlight per day, near windows, balconies, or open areas. Use vertical racks or shelves to save space. If sunlight is limited, choose shade-tolerant plants. Consider using grow lights. Vertical gardening can turn a small space into a green and stylish area. To keep your plants thriving, remove dry or damaged leaves regularly. Replace soil every few months. Use liquid organic fertilizer weekly. Rotate pots so plants get even sunlight. Simple, consistent care makes a big difference. And that brings us to the end of today's video on container gardening for small spaces. Hopefully, this video shows you that you don't need a big backyard to enjoy gardening. With just a few pots and the right plants, even the smallest apartment can feel fresh, green, and alive. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up so more people can discover this content. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our future videos about gardening, small space living, and simple green ideas. Also, drop a comment below and tell us what plant you want to grow first. Thank you so much for watching. Stay green and see you in the next video.